Unlocking the skies, the basics of aerial surveillance. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting and increasingly important topic in the modern world: aerial surveillance. Whether you've heard this term in news stories, movies, or discussions about privacy and security, it's vital to understand what it means and how it impacts our lives. So, let's embark on this journey together to explore the fascinating world of aerial surveillance. At its core, aerial surveillance involves monitoring the Earth's surface from the air to gather information. This can be done using various types of aircraft, such as airplanes, helicopters, or even drones. The key component here is the altitude. Being high above the ground provides a unique vantage point that can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. Aerial surveillance is used for many purposes, including military operations, environmental monitoring, border control, and disaster management. It allows for real-time observation of areas that might be difficult or impossible to access on foot or by vehicle. The technology behind aerial surveillance is both sophisticated and diverse. It can range from simple visual observations made by a person with binoculars to advanced sensors and cameras that capture high-resolution images and videos, sometimes even in the dark or through cloud cover. Drones, for instance, have revolutionized aerial surveillance by making it more accessible and versatile. They can fly at various altitudes, stay airborne for extended periods, and be equipped with a range of sensors, including thermal imaging and radar systems, to collect different types of data. Another critical aspect is the data analysis. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, the vast amounts of data collected during aerial surveillance missions can be quickly analyzed to identify patterns, track changes, or detect anomalies. While aerial surveillance offers significant benefits, it also raises important ethical and privacy concerns. The ability to observe and record activities from the air can lead to questions about individual rights and the balance between security and privacy. Many countries have laws and regulations in place to govern the use of aerial surveillance, but these are continually evolving to keep pace with technological advancements. It's a delicate balance to ensure that while we reap the benefits of aerial surveillance for safety and development, we also protect the rights and freedoms of individuals. Aerial surveillance is a complex, multifaceted topic that plays a crucial role in modern society. From enhancing national security to helping in disaster relief efforts, the benefits are vast. However, as we embrace these technological advancements, we must also be mindful of the ethical implications and strive to find a balance that respects privacy and individual rights. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this exploration into aerial surveillance has been enlightening and has given you a better understanding of its importance and impact. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.